Alright guys, today I wanted to do a full unboxing review and setup of my new grill replacement grease trap. It does work with the DynaGlo grills. I'll show you what mine looks like. It definitely needs it, but I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So let's go ahead and open it up. We'll do an unboxing and then we'll actually install it. Awesome, so perfect. You get some gloves with them. I will use these. User manual. Everything comes in nice and packaged very well. This right here. And these are the actual pieces right here. So we'll go ahead and assemble it up right here, see what it looks like. Let me just show you what mine looks like, because like I said, I definitely needed one of these. It does come with all the tools necessary for it. It's got a screwdriver, the screws, the handle, a grease tray right here. So let's go ahead and assemble it on, see what it looks like. All right, like I said, I didn't even pre-clean it, so a little embarrassed, but let's just show you what it looks like. So this is what I currently have right now. Could use some work. Let's go ahead and assemble that one. The installation took about 25 minutes, and I did end up using my own drill just to speed up the process. Just make sure you're patient with this whole thing. It does have quite a bit of screws, but it was fairly easy to install. Right guys, so there it is. Very, very nice. Got the handles. I'll install this last part here in a second, but what's cool is if I just loosen these up a little bit, you can actually adjust the size of it so that way it fits perfectly underneath there. I left it just a little loose just for the demonstration, but you're able to close that up and whatnot, and then the smaller drip pan just literally slides in right back here and it's good to go. This will help extend the life of the grill. Let me just show you mine. So very, very big difference, right? Put that back. So let's just go ahead and install it. And what's really cool is because of those handles, it just makes it really easy to take out. Check it out. And there it is. Keeps it nice and neat, nice and clean. So if you're looking for a new grease trap for your grill, definitely look into it, son. Highly recommend. I'm gonna leave that link down below. 10 out of 10.